Okay, so today we've got a Freelander 2 in the workshop. The Freelander came out in 2007 and we're just doing some side steps for it, and they're a little bit tricky to fit are these, so we just wanted to show you how the brackets go and the fixings, etc., to make it easy. So we're on the driver's side of the vehicle here, and you can see we've put these riv nuts into the underside of the sill rail. Now the holes are already there, so we just pop those in. These are we call these riv nuts. We've just popped those in. There's 3 down each side. Then there's a small inner bracket which fixes to it, which is there. And then I'll just hold that for Richard. And then Richard, if you just want to show how the outside bracket offers up. That's it. So the bracket offers up there. We've already got the plastic sills off this car. Now the small bracket that I'm holding here, you see it's numbered. There's number on it. You can see it there. That's number 1. These are numbered 1 to 6. This outside bracket here, they're all the same, all 6 of them, just exactly the same. And then what we have to do also is cut the trim on the sill. So we've taken this off the car already, and we're going to first of all drill where these crosses are, and then we're going to cut out, and we do that 3 times down each side. So you can see there's one there, there's the other one which is here, and then the last one which is there. So we'll get further along with it, and we'll update you with some more video.